Guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you pin a post into your profile from Binance Square. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to pin a post to profile, you just simply have to open your Binance application at very first. Then tap to this yellow Binance icon into the top left corner. From there, you will get to see this Square option. Tap into Square option and go to Binance Square. Now you have to go over your profile, and after that you will see this page. Now into here, you just simply have to tap to this content option into the first. Just simply tap there, and after tapping into contents, you can see all of the posts that you have. Now, in order to pin the post, just simply select any of the posts that you would like to pin, and the pin post option will successfully be available into there. Now you just simply have to select that option and pin the post into your profile. And this is all you have to do. I can't voluntarily show this because I don't have any post currently, so I hope you understand the process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.